Misa yo kuziika yayebemberwa Monsignor John Vianney Sande vika w'itware rya Kabale Diocese. Ogu yashaba bikiriza kwetwaza kurungi nko mugenzi Aponye okwabire nayetwaza.
Ekiconco ekirikubasa kumuheereza erizooba n'ekiconco ky'ekitambo kya misa. He served God, was faithful to God, and the best gift we can give him today is the sacrifice of Mass. So I would like to thank you. Thank you for coming to witness the life of faith that Aporo Nyegamahe lived, faithful to his God.
Omukazi w'omugenzi yayereka ngo omushaija wa Afiire babire nibatebekanisa okukuza emyaka 45 mu bushwere kandi omukoro gubeguryo gwokukorwa omu ihanga rya Italy.
Ngeno nyowe kindamanya yaba turahirwa mu ry'aba bana biri hakagiro bagire ingeso nkezeye nabamazire nawe emyaka 45 kandi tekateka kujaguza muka ihanga tasimi azari kwenda mukize kujaguriza Italy mu papa to blessing ongani ngira we hati ya blessing rwo mu iguru we nanyikira nasigara naniza kugenda mukora tiye.
Abana b'omugenzi hamwe n'abandi baziki basime emikorere y'omugenzi Aponye.
It has really helped me as a child to really understand and see and be so deeply inspired and enlightened by my father.
Thomas Tayebwa omuhezi wa speaker w'ishengero yashaba abantu kurekera okugamba busha ngo abagiga nka Aponye nibo batine bugiga bwabo bitu yabashaba koresa amani okwetungura bakayihomboro.
Ndenda reba TV barahandikananga ngo akore bya ineti bye nababuza mukanshire byawe iwe ne byawe itokamba byawe itwabamanyira umushisho kuyarabona kushanga ngo abinzi muraryo kuganira ngo akore bya nasibi bye ngo byabanene owakuja ngo ni mucenoha.
President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni owazwekera retired Major Jessica Alupo omuhezi we yayereka ngo ihanga ryetenge biragiro by'amani okurwanisa butanduza hanguto.
The Road Act 2019. The country has continued registering increased incidences of accidents on our roads, especially those that are caused by trucks that are parked after breaking down. And His Excellency the President asked me to share with you, Monsignor, together with all the members of the congregation, that he is concerned that that act may not be sufficient enough to stop the road carnage in our country.
Obwa President Museveni obwashomwa Vice President Jessica Alupo yasima Aponye abo kutungura ihanga kandi yayamazika ga miliyoni 10 okwera bekaye.
I urge especially the Bazukulu to emulate his example of exploiting the prevailing favorable conditions of peace, stability, good infrastructure, etc. to create wealth and jobs. May his soul rest in eternal peace.
Aponye akazarwa 2012 kwa 8 5 na mushanju omuri mahanga Rukiga district obwahati ogwa katandika ari kushubura ebinyobwa aha myaka 10 y'obukuru bito hagerire kufa abira ryo mugayiga ruranganwa. Gasha kwa Job na Manya omuri Rukiga.